Dr. Huebner with Natural Transplants. We're here today with Rory. He's our VIP patient of the day. And Rory, at this point we've drawn on your hairline and we've kind of discussed what our goals are for today, but just wanted to get your ideas about why you came in today. When did you first start noticing your hair loss?
I was around 26, 27. It's kind of like, can't even remember it anymore.
Yeah.
It's a while.
Yeah. So it's kind of progressed since that point to where you are now, and you've decided to, address it with a surgical procedure, which certainly lots of men do. How did you find out about natural transplants?
A lot of online researching, actually, between different places and just kind of seeing what looked kind of most legit.
Right. So we appreciate that, and we try to be as transparent and honest as possible in those videos, and we want people to know what they're going to get and kind of anticipate that, because we want to make sure you're getting what you're spending all this time and recovery for. The third thing I want to ask you today is what are your goals for today?
Just basically a bit more hair on the front, make my face look the way it should, probably at my age.
Shrink
the hair loss.
Shrink your forehead, reframe your face. Yes, give you more confidence. I think all those things we'll be able to address today. We're really excited. We're going to check in on you when we're starting the procedure and see how you're doing. Thanks a lot. All right, Dr. Huebner back here with our VIP patient of the day, Rory. And at this point, we saw earlier, we had drawn the hairline on Rory. We brought him back to the procedure room, and we've removed the donor strip, and we've sewn up the donor area in the back. We're actually able to get a little bit more for Rory today to help get a little bit more coverage, because he wants it and needs it. So how's it been for you today, Rory?
So far, so good.
Yeah. Anything? I know the initial anesthesia is a little bit tricky with the sticks and the burn, but how was that for you?
Fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Once you get through it, it's cool.
Once you get through it, it's awesome, and you haven't felt anything since then. Been watching Netflix and just relaxing. We're about to eat some lunch. And to anyone out there who's kind of afraid of the pain or it's going to be a morbid procedure, what would you tell them to this point?
It's nothing but unmanageable.
Yeah.
It's totally cool.
Awesome. Piece of cake. Well, it's been going perfectly so far, and we'll check in with you again after the sites are made and then at the end of the procedure to see how it was for you. But we're looking forward to giving you great results. Thanks, Rory. Okay, Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants, back with our VIP patient of the day, Rory. Rory, how was the day for you? We're going to show everybody what we did for you in a second, but just give everybody kind of a brief summary of how it was for you. Were you comfortable? All those kinds of things.
Pretty comfortable, just sitting around, watching Netflix.
Yep.
Eating food.
Fell asleep a couple times, heard a few snores, But so Rory definitely had a decent day. The anesthesia, a little difficult to get through, but just a couple pricks and stings, and after that's done, really nothing to speak of, I would say. And would you agree with that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, for sure. So let me pan around here. We'll show you what we did for Rory. Rory got a standard case, HUE case, and you can see in the front, nice staggered, very peaky hairline all the way around there. Small grafts in the front blended into the large grafts in the back. And you can see we were able to get quite a bit of hair for Rory today. And this is going to completely reframe his face. He's going to have a whole different look when he wakes up in a few months. And it's been growing in, and he's going to be really pleased with this, I believe. So really looking forward to seeing his results, and we're going to follow up with him in a few months, definitely, to make sure things are growing, and then he'll be back in a couple weeks to get his sutures out. Until then, he has my personal cell phone number. You can get a hold of me at all times. We just reviewed post-op instructions, and he's all set to go. So really excited for you, Rory. Congratulations, and can't wait to follow up.
Nice one. Thank you.
Thanks.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.